In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix middle not clipping. So, if middle is open as example, but nothing happened when you press the clip hotkey. The normal one will be F8, and of course the problem is usually one of these. Either it's going to be a wrong hotkey, you changed it and you forgot, maybe the game is not detected, or maybe middle is not running as an admin, or maybe you have some low storage, or maybe a broken middle installation. So let's check all of those one by one. As an example, first of all, just try to open your game first. Then go to middle and check if it shows the game as detected. If middle does not detect your game, make sure to close middle, keep the game opened, and reopen middle and try pressing basically the clip hotkey again. Because some games may need to be opened before middle to be able to be detected properly. And of course, if you still open your game and nothing happens, just go to here waiting for game as example at the top left and make sure that you have it enabled. If you don't have it enabled by any chance, make sure to enable it. Sometimes it's turned off as example, or you turn off as example by mistake or something like that. Here, of course, you can even change the audio, microphone source, and any other thing like the quality and everything else. So example, now I open the game, or I do have a game open as example here, the League of Legends, but middle is not detecting it. So what we said we are going to do, we'll need to close middle first. So once it's closed, you can just go and open middle again as example and wait for it until it's opened and the game should be detected. Of course, sometimes like the games here of League of Legends, it may not even be detected after you open it the game, because this is only a client, so the game will be detected once you open the game itself. So as an example, now my game is detected, as you can see, League of Legends. Why? Because the client now, as you can see, the game is still in progress. So basically I am in a game. Like here, I am in a game right now, and I am not only an example on a client. So if you're in a client and you see the game is not detected, probably because the game is a client. So you didn't open the game, you just opened a client. So if that is not the problem for you, probably you'll have to check the clip hotkey. If you go to clip here at the top, you'll find the hotkey. If it's what you're clicking at, then it is another problem. If it's not what you're clicking at, just change it to whatever you want to click at. As an example, here you have even the long record hotkey. You can change that as well. Other than that, just try to run the next time middle as administrator. When you try to open middle, as an example, just try go and open it as administrator. This might be an example, a difference maker for you. Other than that, you would like to check your storage space. So basically, if your drive is full, middle may fail to save clips for you. If that's not the case as well, make sure to disable any conflicting recorders. So close any other recorder tools such as Xbox Game Bar, OBS Replay Buffer, NVIDIA Shadow Play, AMD Relive, Discord Game Overlay, then restart middle and try clipping again. And if none of these works, the last thing that you can try to do is basically uninstall in middle, then installing it back again. And keep in mind, you cannot just go and install the normal way like apps and install it. You'll not be able to launch or install middle again, because you'll have to install the registry and everything with it. So just use a tool like Geekin Installer. It is a total free tool that you can use. It will install also the registry and everything that comes with it. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.